everybody, so I am now on box number 2 of 4. This is my Mindful Souls box. Today is Christmas Eve, December 24th, 2021, and I had a bunch of boxes that came while we were out of town, so I'm going to open them individually. Each gets a video, so you don't have to deal with 4 boxes in one video. But this is my Mindful Souls box that has come for, I assume it's December, and let us get into it. Thankfully, these boxes are easier to open. So, okay, and here is our little cheat sheet that should be everything that's on there. So I will put that off to the side. And this is, I guess these are like their kind of oracle cards or whatever. Mindful Souls, this one says, affirmation for forgiveness. Forgiving makes me feel light and free. Yeah. And then we have this cute, ahh, keep calm and no drama llama sticker. How cute is that? I love this. Okay. And then we've got our first little baggie. These companies have to spend a fortune on their bags. Ooh, this is a beautiful bracelet. I believe it's a tiger eye. That's what I'm thinking, tiger eye. Gorgeous. Tiger eyes are protective, I think. So, and I like that. Look at that sheen in there. Pretty. And then we have, where are you? What are these? Are they socks? I think they're socks. Oh, they're getting fuzzies on them. Oh, I like them. I think they're socks. These would probably be good for yoga. Those are cute. I like those. Okay, so I got some socks. Socks for Christmas are awesome when you get old. I'm just saying. All right, and then we got another baggie. And this one feels like a stone, maybe a worry stone. Oh, wow. That's so pretty. I think it's an agate. Look at that. That is gorgeous. I am a fan. Yeah, I think that's an agate. Very nice. All right, and then we've got the next baggie. Wow, that's an agate too. That is a really beautiful necklace. Yes. It's a blue agate. That is so pretty. I think it's dyed, but that's okay. That's very normal with agates. And these I feel like are like plasticky beads, but yeah, that's cool. I don't know what these beads are, but I like it. I like this necklace. All right, and then moving on, another baggie. And this one is, let's see, another one. Just quartz. Not just quartz, pretty quartz, but that's cool. I like how it's wrapped. It's kind of like I guess like a leather or maybe a heavy twine. I think it's leather. That is pretty. I love quartz. Very nice. Kind of goes with everything. And then I see a fragrant essential oil. It says fragrant essential oil. What is the fragrance? Let's see. It says rain, if you can read that, rain song. Rain song. Let's see. Fragrant essential oil, rain song. Let me see. It says it's made from botanical extracts. There's a little paper in here. I guess it's just telling you how to use it. Look, it's all in like, oh, it's how to use it in a diffuser. So, but let's see what it smells like. Oh, it's really nice. It's very light and it smells floral. I like it. Doesn't really smell like rain to me. Yep, just air revitalizer. It does smell like it would be very air freshening. So anyway, I think that is it. Yes. So yeah, we got this essential oil fragrance thing, the necklaces, the bracelet. I'm gonna be all pretty, I'll tell you that. Some cute socks, the sticker, the card, the awesome stone. So yeah, according to our cheat, We have the blue agate slice necklace, the protective tiger eye bracelet, the rain song essential oil, the wrapped raw clear quartz necklace, the red agate circle crystal, and the socks. So yeah, that is from Mindful Souls. As I said in my previous video, I have stopped ordering the subscription boxes. They're kind of getting a little repetitive, and you know, I mean, they're cute and all, but they're also kind of getting expensive. So I think what I might be doing is looking for some cool mystery boxes from places like Etsy or whatever. So if you guys have any suggestions on mystery boxes, that would be cool. And I will see about getting those and doing box openings for those as well. But this was number 2 of 4. So I got a couple more to go. So go on over to the next video and check it out. Otherwise, I will see you guys in the next one. Please don't forget to give this one a thumbs up. Like and subscribe to the channel. I've got other channels too, so check those out. They'll all be in the description. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.